Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you all Pithora folk art, for which I have taken acrylic paints. You can also take poster paints or rangila paints, or you can use all of them depending on which type of painting or the folk art we are going to do. Then paint brushes, water, old cloth, handmade paper or canvas, palette, stationery like pencil, scale, eraser, sharpener, permanent marker, thick and thin both, color pencils, crayons and sketch pens. Pithora is a ritualistic painting done on the walls by the Rathwa, Bhils and Bhilala tribes. The name Pithora also refers to the Hindu deity of marriage. Historically, they were cave, wall and rock paintings. Baba Pithora is the tribal deity on whose honor the paintings are made. Other local gods are also honored. It has religious and mythological relevance to the indigenous tribes, which has slowly transformed into a vibrant occupation of the Bhilalas or Rathwas. The process begins with lipai, that consists of setting the background of walls with dung, water and chuna by the unmarried girls, painted in spectacular and vivid reds, greens, oranges, blues and pinks with brushes made from branches of tendu and palash trees. These paintings are distinguished by the lucky and sacred mascots, the horses, sun and the moon. Birds, animals, trees, etc. are also found. Similar to many other types of tribal paintings, daily activities of rural life such as farming, hunting, plowing, and exuberance in festivities like dancing and singing depicting social cohesion are exhibited through colors. The paintings have different color combinations, floral patterns, and symmetry in murals. The backgrounds are also white or cream but could be stark red for a rustic mud color appeal, suiting contemporary tastes, and the paintings have become fashionable in urban areas. The paintings are not created for mere decoration. Families commission them to fulfill a sacred vow or invoke blessings for health, rain, and good crops. Colors are traditionally mixed from pigments of leaves, flowers, colored soils and stones combined with milk and liquor. The voice-over and information provided in the video are strictly sourced from Google search results. This channel does not claim ownership or original authorship of the facts presented. All views and facts belong to their respective original sources. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. and do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.